Beneath the ocean surface, there are rivers that flow beautiful completely with currents, river banks, and even smooth trees along this side. This is incredible phenomenon is real, and this is a called underwater river.
One of the most famous examples can be found in Chinete Angelica, Mexico. There, divers discovered a breathtaking scenes, a layer of water that looks exactly like a flowing river, lying more than 30 meters below the sea surface. This boundary is called a halocline, the separation between two layers of water with different salt concentration. The effect is stunning. It looks like a thick fog or a distinct river, dividing the underwater worlds into two realms.
But how can there be a river inside the ocean? In truth, it's not a real river. This phenomenon occurs because of difference in salinity and density. Salazar that extract slightly enriched in hydrogen sulfide becomes denser. It sinks to the bottom, creating the illusion of a river flowing beneath the ocean.
Even at the bottom of this underwater river, you can see the branches, leaves, and what look like tiny trees growing by the bank. But in reality, they are just sulfur deposits and organic matter forming a landscape that mimics their land. The underwater river reminds us that our planet still hides countless mysteries beneath its surface. Places like this are not just beautiful, they show how extraordinary the balance of nature and science truly is.
So, the underwater river, a proof that nature and the wonder aren't always found on the surface.